Hey guys! Thanks for joining in with me for the finale of the Penetrol Test Pour Series. In this series, we tested Penetrol in varying amounts across different mediums in search of the best cell action for acrylic paint pouring. Each recipe we tested produced its own unique results. Today, I'm bringing the canvases together side by side so you can choose which one is your favorite. Instead of listing off every single recipe that we tested on each canvas, I'm giving each one a number. I will list the video to that canvas by the number in the description below to make it a bit easier on you to check out. Since I ended up doing 13 different pours, I've split them into little groups. Following each group are close-up shots so you can really see the detail of the cells. See one that you love? Note the number, then check the description to lead to that video to get the full rundown of how it was made. Since this is just an overview, I don't have too much to add today. I just wanted to give you a better idea of the differences between each recipe. It can be harder to tell when you see them in separate videos spanning across a few weeks. I'm having a hard time deciding which one is my favorite. There's something that I like about each and every one of them. I'd love to hear from you guys to know which ones you thought were best. I've been testing out some silicone oil since finishing up with these pours. A local hobby shop here has a ton of different weights of silicone oil. I believe that they're typically used for RC cars, but I wanted to see if there was a difference in cell creation from the weights available. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out on the next set of experiments. Okay guys, that's going to be it for me. I hope you enjoy seeing the close-ups of each result from the Penetrol test pours. Don't forget to comment below and let me know which ones were your favorites. I'll see you next time. Bye!